Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use SAP Dashboard to build a report with hierarchy and how to configure the report interface to jump from the dashboard summary report to a BI detailed level report. Alright, and this can include a few steps shown in this notepad. The first is to create a back query with hierarchy and then to configure the report interface in the BW system. And then you're going to design the dashboard with hierarchy component in the dashboard designer. The last step is going to review this report in BI Launchpad so that you can jump from a dashboard summary report to a very detailed level report in the BI system, right? Okay, just close this one. Okay, the first, let's try to choose a report with hierarchy. As I have already opened in the BI backend system. The info object we're going to choose for the hierarchy plant. And if we navigate to the hierarchy, you're going to see I have created two hierarchies manually. So you can choose either of them in your dashboard design. Then you have a report created based on the plant. You can choose a hierarchy here. For example, you can choose the or the other one, right? And definitely you can change this when you design your report in the SAP dashboard. So the next step is to configure the report interface. So if you run the transaction RSBBS, you're going to see a screen like this. So it's a very straightforward report interface configuration. So you can, for example, I can show you. You can choose, the target system is the local or, the source system. Source means the SAP ERP system. And you can choose the report type. For our case, we choose BW query. And you're going to see the receiver object. So the receiver object for our case is still the back query report, but with a very detailed data view. And then I just made a very few changes for the assignment details because we're going to use the plant to parse the parameter, so that I just change this plant to the parameter with selection, and for the other info objects I just choose delete. So then let's go to the SAP Dashboard Designer. You can choose the component from the components. I think it's one of the containers or selectors. You see this hierarchical table. You drag and drop here. Okay. So in our case, I have already put one here. So then the next step, I'm gonna choose a back query from the query browser. Right here, you can choose add a new query. See here, you can choose either from universe or back query. But in our case, we're gonna choose the back query. Right. So see, this is something wrong. Maybe as backend. Try again. I choose change. I have already configured the single cell on the BOE, so I can use the BW account to log on the BOE server. Okay, just wait a few seconds. We're gonna see this batch query we created in the batch query designer. You can drag and drop. If you expand the plant, you're gonna see the two hierarchy we use, the Z or the world. Okay, for this one example, we just choose the world, and then we choose two more key figures here. It's pretty simple. Then we choose the next step. See, this is the preview of this query, right? I choose next, and I choose close. Okay, now you're gonna bind this query to this hierarchy table, right? You can do this here. See, you choose these two more key figures, you just click OK. And if you want to configure the report interface, you have to enable the report info sender and include dynamic jump destination. And if I just click OK, so you can click preview. I choose yes. See, this is a hierarchy display for this report. You notice this is a hierarchy on the left hand. You expand, you can just collapse. And if you move your cursor here, you're gonna see there is a the context menu, so you can click and choose sealed order per plant. If you click this one, see it's gonna open another browser to navigate you to the very detailed level or the report, because we choose just UG04, so only the sealed order belong to UG04 will be displayed. We can choose another one. For example, it's FPG1. You choose the same way and see the plant FPG1 will be displayed, right? And finally, you can save your report, the dashboard, to the BI platform. So I can show this. I put in the dashboard. I choose save. The file already exists. Do you want to replace? I click yes. After doing this, you can display your report, dashboard report from the BI Launchpad. Okay, see here, I'm still going to use my single sign-on user to log on the BI Launchpad. I click log on. Once you log on to the BI Launchpad, you just navigate to the folder and go to the dashboard. See here is the dashboard we just created. So just right click and see view. The report is going to be displayed, right? So it's pretty much the same way. Now we still need to test, the report interface. We're going to do the same for the plant UG04, and we choose the sealed order per plant. This is, the target, a detailed report. See here is the detailed report pop-up. With all the detailed information, the material, sealed documents, item, all belong to this specific plant UG04. Okay, so it's so simple. It's pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching.